So here I am up with a new delicious, yummy and healthy recipe, that is instant rasmalai, that I am making it with bread. I am using milk bread. I am using 1 cup of warm milk, few badam. I use few spoons of Milkmaid, pinch of sugar because it's already milk bread and I'm using Milkmaid. There's already sweet in those both, so little if you want to add. And I'm using elaichi powder. So first, let's make the syrup, the liquid for rasmalai. I'm adding 1 cup of warm milk, little bit sugar, and little elaichi powder. If you want, you can add more according to your taste. And now let's mix this. Now let's keep this liquid aside. So here I've taken milk bread. I've cut them into circles using a bread cutter. You can use a bread cutter or any bowl or glass having sharp edges. So I've taken four slices. Now let's take this bread and dip it inside this milk. So dip it until the milk is into both the bread so that you will get flavor, and squeeze it out like this. This is the second bread piece. I have taken 4 slices, so 2 slices each will make 1 slice of the rasmalai. So this won't go waste. You can take out the brown part and use the white part in the same way, dip it inside the milk and make it into balls. So you can make small balls like this with the bread left over. And flatten it like this, not too much, a bit like this. So now I'm going to place these balls in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 minutes maximum. So now I'm adding 1 more cup of milk to make the syrup for rasmalai. So I've added milk. Now I'm adding 3 spoons of Milkmaid. I am adding little more elaichi powder for the flavor, and let's mix it. So in this, if you want, you can add little more sugar, and you can add any dry fruits. I am adding crushed badam. You can add any dry fruit. So now since 2 minutes are done, I guess my rasmalai, the bread is ready. So let's check it out. Yes, so my bread patties, the bread balls are ready. So let's place them into bowls. So place them in a bowl and add milk. So I'm adding the prepared milk. So my bread rasmalai is ready to eat. I am gonna garnish them using a few badam. You can use any type of dry fruit. You can use kaju, you can use pista.
So the yummy, tasty, delicious bread rasmalai is ready. You can just make it within 15 minutes maximum. So stay home, stay safe and enjoy yummy food. Do subscribe, like, share. Thank you.